Hey guys, বেগুনি রঙের মেয়েটা বলছি ফ্রম মেলবোর্ন। আজকে আমি আসছি ফিটসরয় ভেজি বারে। আমার বন্ধু পুষ্পার বার্থডে আজকে। অনেক বছর পরে সেলিব্রেট করব পুষ্পার সাথে। 2015-এ আমরা একসাথে ওর বার্থডে সেলিব্রেট করছিলাম। এরপরে থেকে লাস্ট ফিউ ইয়ার্স শি ওয়াজ ইন ইন্ডিয়া। নট all the time she's in India, but whenever her birthday happened to be, she was in India. So after many years we're gonna celebrate again today. I'm very excited. Stay with us and let's see how we celebrate Pushpa's birthday. আমি এখন I am in front of Veggie Bar now. So people who wants to enjoy vegetarian food, they can come. This is called Veggie Bar.
Wow, wonderful centerpiece. It's a Veggie Bar. Let's see where is the birthday girl. Happy birthday, sweetie. We all love you.
Thank you.
You're looking gorgeous. Oh my God, so sweet.
It's a very special day. She's our shining star. 18th birthday today. We love her for promising us a very nice place. She is so good, gorgeous lady. No, girl.
She's a sweetheart.
That's your choice or Abu's choice?
Both of us.
Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. I even don't have this color. I really liked it.
You like it?
Yes, I love this color. Thank you so much.
That's why I love these girls. So fun-loving. All the girls are coming.
Do they look like? They look like sisters.
ये धरो.
Nice little sister.
Nice to meet you.
Anju.
Hi, Pooja Di.
We talking about Sona sister. Hi.
Look at this sexy.
Hey,
Who gonna tell mother of two young kids? Always
Grown up kids, grown up now.
Sorry?
गाना गा रहे थे 1 2 3 start.
Guys, that's the spirit. I love being with them.
आज मेरा जन्मदिन है। आज मैं 29 साल की हो गई है तो 40 पर मैं लगती नहीं हूँ। मुझे पता है कि मैं 32 की लगती हूँ।
मुझे तो 19 के जैसा लगे.
थैंक यू। और जो यहाँ पे आया है, जो भी इंटरनेट ठीक है, क्यों नहीं जी, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, सबको अच्छा लगा। अभी तक हमने खाना नहीं खाया वैसे, बट हाँ, पर वैसे अच्छा है सब कुछ। और क्या कहूँगी, आज सोनल का भी घर का गृह प्रवेश है, उसको कांग्रेचुलेशन है और बधाई हो।
Cheers everyone! Raise your glass please for Pushpa. Cheers! Cheers everyone!
क्यों एक बंदा मेरे बारे में कर रहा है, and you got that.
अच्छा, मुझे हिंदी आता जाता नहीं है, मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूँगी।
ओके, मैं बोल रही हूँ पहले क्या बोलना है।
अच्छा,
पहले पूजा।
खो गई हूँ मैं विष्णु के प्यार में।
May you have all the joy your heart can hold, all the smiles a day can bring, all the blessing a life can unfold, and the best of everything. Happy birthday, dear.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Now, I met her around 2 years before. I was sent to Ballarat for placement and I was there by myself. I didn't know anyone, nobody. And she was the first one to approach towards me. And she was so friendly. I was staying in someone's
Oh, tell me
house.
about it.
And you know,
That's
she
the
was-
best thing about
Yeah,
her.
yeah,
She's so
So
friendly.
friendly and she's so humbly that, you know, like she loves you so much.
Exactly.
That it feels like a family. So I was in Ballarat. She even took me to a restaurant to get a proper meal. So that because I
We
haven't
are
really
away
eaten for a
from
while.
our
Yeah.
spicy meal, so we will
Love and support and I love you a lot.
6 years पहले मैंने उसको मिला था. Still she is same. Still she is so friendly,
Yeah,
so
very.
loving, so humble, so spontaneous. Always with a big smile.
debate हो रही है, debate. Now Dharam will say something. Thank you, Sue. Thank you.
Thank you.
हम 2008 में मिले थे. She is like my friend, everything for me. Like study किया. Yeah. I love you, Pushpa.
Important thing I like about Pushpa Didi is she's very humble, so polite. Whenever I need anything or any kind of help, I just let her know. Didi, I want this. Can you go there and pick that up for me? And she is the first one. हाँ हाँ कर लूँगी कोई बात नहीं.
She'll be there.
Always there.
She'll be there. I know that.
Chubby and the dancing queen of mine.
Hello, my friend, you know her, Jasmine Samira. She is my friend. Really? यहाँ ये
पुष्पा, इसको मैं बहुत सालों से जानती हूँ और जब से मैं जानती हूँ तब से मैं ये एक ऐसा बंदा है कि जिसको मैं कह सकती हूँ कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग शी हैज़ अ वेरी गुड हार्ट. दिल की इतनी अच्छी है एंड आई कांट फॉरगेट हर.
I don't want to say that much. I'll start crying and makeup gonna be. That's why I don't want to say.
भूल नहीं सकते ये अच्छी है. बहुत खुशी. I'm really very blessed to having friend like you. You are so cute. You are so sweet. So I don't know that one I
हिंदी में बोल.
कब मैंने तेरे साथ किया था. But you are so good. The way you approach us.
Fun loving. She
मैं
is
बताती
the
हूँ.
best
Yeah.
thing. She
The
is
way
so
you
fun loving.
You know the thing is that whenever I need something, let's say that okay, sometimes I order something from the marketplace and something like it. If I am not really very good driver, but whenever I told, she always say yes, never tell no. So I'm very happy that I can.
Me too.
I just want to say one thing, Pushpadi, we love you. You are such an amazing person. Like you just fun-loving. You like I don't have anything which I can binge on, but you just we love the way you are. We love you.
And we all here.
This is my birthday gift from the lazy one who don't go and buy gifts. So token of love. love you and wish you health, wealth,
Money
and happiness. Yeah, that's wealth. Happiness lifelong on your birthday.
Thank
Love you. Love hugs.
So sweet of them. Pushpa got some gift for us.
Jasmine.
Oh, thank you. कितना खाया?
बहुत पिया यार.
अभी तो शुरुआत है.
अभी तो शुरू हुआ.
अभी तो हमने बहुत पीनी है. मैं तो पे कर दिया.
तो एक ग्रुप फोटो शेयर कर दो बोले. Just one.
जो मैंने खींची, जो किसी ने खींची थी.
Everyone you like एक ग्रुप फोटो शेयर कर दो बस.
बेस्टीज थे.
Besties में हाँ.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Cheers.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Could I add something else as well in this? A little bit of lemon.
Lemon? I don't know if
You don't mix.
I could put a slice of lemon with it.
That would be good. दिया जाए के छोड़ दिया जाए, बोल तेरे साथ क्या सलूक किया जाए, बोल तेरे साथ क्या सलूक किया जाए, नाम दिया जाए के जहर दिया जाए, बोल तेरे साथ क्या सलूक. We almost done here. We're gonna go at Ocean 12 at Crown. All night party चलेगा.
दौड़ेगा.
हाँ.
मैं प्रोफेशन चेंज करके फोटोग्राफर बन रही हूँ. हाय क्या बात है.
Yes, please. Wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Let's slice and cut.
Happy birthday, dear Pushpa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
पुष्पा कट गई. काट. मैं कह रही हूँ.
How old are you today, Pushpa?
39. लेके आओ थोड़े से
29?
Yeah.
39 Thank you everyone to come to my party and it's a great view. All.
ये तो ना पक्का कैमरा में चली जाएगी
Oh my god. Digging.
Have you seen Shilpa Shetty's binge videos? वो ऐसे बनाती है like जैसे ना पता नहीं क्या हो गया उसको खा के मीठा हाँ like that.
It's really good. Guys, you should try. It's really, really good.
मैं तो केक खा के बस मेरा मिठा हो गया
जन्नत का नज़ारा आ गया
हाँ.
ये समझ आ गया इसको वैसे ये समझ
A strong friendship doesn't need daily conversation, doesn't always need togetherness, as long as the relationship lives in the heart. True friends will never part. Happy birthday, dear.